Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon on Zerion application. To change app icon on Zerion mobile app, first of all, go ahead and open the Zerion application from your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the home page of your wallet. After you're inside the home section, tap on your human icon or your profile avatar at the bottom right hand corner, and in the pop-up, click on App Settings. Under Settings, tap on Appearance under Security. Tap on the App Icon option, choose any one app icon for your Zerion application from the list, and this will go ahead and change your Zerion app icon immediately inside your app drawer. So that's how you easily change your app icon on the Zerion mobile wallet app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.